Hi, I'm Dr. Kate Hawley. I'm a psychologist at UCSB's Academic and Staff Assistance Program. And today I'm going to be talking about the importance of maintaining relationships with others during difficult times. Connection with others helps us through the most challenging times in our lives by promoting a sense of calm, support, resilience, and positive coping strategies. But when we are faced with situations that lead to uncertainty and fear, we tend to experience a sense of disconnection and withdrawal from others at the very moment that we need connection the most. And there's two ways our relationships are typically impacted during difficult times. The first is that feeling afraid and anxious leads us to engage in self protective strategies where we turn inward and we isolate. And then isolation leads us to feel depressed and hopeless and also less inclined to be motivated to engage in our relationships with others. The second way our relationships are impacted is that difficulty and uncertainty often lead to feelings of irritability, overwhelm, and anger. And these emotions can affect the way we perceive and relate to the important people in our lives. And if we're not aware of these patterns, we may experience more conflict and disconnection from the people that we need the most. So, the first step in addressing disconnection is to bring awareness to signs of withdrawal and disconnection in your thoughts, your feelings, and your behaviors. These signs can include turning down information, not responding to texts or phone calls, thoughts that others won't understand you, and reduced enthusiasm about socializing. In addition, you may notice more conflict and irritability in your relationships and your interactions. Once you've become aware of the signs of disconnection, then the second step is to make small and manageable changes to your behaviors. So, this might include reaching out to a supportive friend via text, taking some time to go on a walk or get coffee with a loved one. And you can also prioritize small moments of connection in your community by getting outside of your house, saying hello to people on the street, and engaging in small moments of connection at the grocery store. It's also important to consider that you might be most frustrated by the uncertainty of a particular situation than by your loved one. And so it's important to communicate your needs and feelings clearly so that you can get those met in your relationships. In this video, I discussed ways to prioritize connection and community during difficult times. But if you'd like more information on how to cope with uncertainty in general, please see the video's description. There's a link to a workshop on navigating uncertain times there. And if you have any questions or you would like individual support, please reach out to us here at ASAP. We are here to help you reconnect.